अब गांव में बैठ के आपको लोकल एक्सपीरियंस मिलता है मेरे ख्याल से।
So my family was always in the tourism business.
Let's create something.
My father was like one of the first, you could say the first travel agent of Ladakh.
So I'll tell you, we came to this place first time, and it was so beautiful. We were hypnotized, we were mesmerized, and it hypnotized us to stay back.
So I think one of the very important things of rural life anywhere in the whole country, I would say, is to live and let live.
लेकिन इन द डेप्थ आनंद ही है।